Hello, good morning students. So I'm here for you. Today's topic is quadratic equation. So you know quad means square. So first of all we know that what is quadratic polynomial. So if you see x square plus bx plus c, that is quadratic polynomial. In that way, if you add equal to 0, then it becomes a standard form of quadratic equation. So I think you understood what is quadratic equation. In the quadratic equation, a never is equal to 0. a कभी भी 0 नहीं होगा आपका. And a, b, c all are the real numbers. So quadratic equation is the both side. The equal to is x plus y is equal to z, like that. This is a quadratic equation. So now I think you understood. Let's see how we calculate the quadratic equation and how we draw the quadratic equation. We will discuss in the 4 points of view. First is diagram, second is numbers, and third is shapes, and fourth is variables. So all 4 points are included in this quadratic equation. So let's see. In the form of quadratic polynomial, you know that a x square plus bx plus c. This one is a standard form of quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial, in that a is not equal to 0. कभी भी जो a होगा ना वो 0 नहीं होगा. And another thing, here the degree of polynomial is what? The 2. And here the degree of polynomial is 1. So now you understood what is the quadratic polynomial. If we ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If we added equal to 0, then it becomes a standard form of quadratic equation. So this is a quadratic equation, right? How you acknowledge this is the quadratic equation? You acknowledge always by this square. If you have an equation, you know and observe that highest degree is what? So if highest degree is 2, then it is a quadratic equation. So we can write that if x plus y is equal to z, it means it is a quadratic equation. Always in the equation you have both the two sides, then it becomes a quadratic equation. So in all that a is not equal to 0, and where a, b and c are real number. A, B, C are the real numbers. So let's now we discuss some equations. So first equation is 2x square plus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. In that equation, you know the degree is what? Is 2. It means this is a quadratic equation because it matches with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This equation match with this equation. So this is a quadratic equation. So this one is also a quadratic equation. In that a is what? 2 and b is 4 and c is 2. So here is the coefficient of x square is 2 and the coefficient of x is 4 and 2 is the constant number. So in that you acknowledge that easily ki what is a, what is b and what is c. Another equation, another is x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 and minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So now can you find that in that equation a and b and c, what is it, and in that also. So first of all, you know, so a is what and b is what and c is what. In also in that a is equal to what and b is equal to what and c is equal to what. So if we see the here the x square, but the coefficient is nothing. But you know always there is a 1 behind this. So a is what? 1, b is 5 and c is 6. So constant is 6. In another equation you see here is minus 3. But in that equation, this equation is a quadratic equation? No. If we put a square is here, then it becomes a quadratic equation. So a is what? Minus 3 and b is, there is no b. There is no bx. यहाँ पर क्या है? bx नहीं है. तो इस केस में यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे हम कि जो b है हमारा वहाँ पर 0 होगा and c क्या है? 3. So now you understand how we acknowledge that the equation of quadratic equation is, right? In all the quadratic equation, you know, and when you put the graphs like this, there is maybe your graph is like that and maybe your graph is like that. So this way we put the graphs on a graph paper by the finding these equations, value of these equations. Which one is the coefficient of x square? इसमें से x square का coefficient कौन सा है? Which one is the coefficient of x square? x square का coefficient क्या है? हमें choose करना है. तो which one is correct? A wrong, C wrong, D wrong, because here is the what? Here is 2. So जो हमारा correct answer है that is B. B is the correct answer कि जो coefficient of x square क्या है हमारा 2 है. ओके चलिए दूसरे क्वेश्चन की ओर. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4. So the second question is, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, A cannot be. मतलब इन ऑप्शंस में से आपको ये बताना है कि A cannot be, इनमें से कौन सा जो हो सकता है वो A नहीं हो सकता. तो इसमें से आपको सेलेक्ट करना है. सो आई थिंक यू इजिली अंडरस्टैंड विच वन इज. I think B is the correct answer because I told you earlier that where the A cannot be a 0, है ना. A कभी भी हमारे quadratic equation में जो है कभी भी A 0 नहीं हो सकता. So the B is the correct answer. So let's see another question. Okay, now see the third question is Third question is x square plus 1 का whole square is equal to x square. Let's check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So first of all, what we will do, you know that the a plus b का whole square, a plus b का whole square is equal to means a square plus 2ab plus b square. दिस इज द एल्जेब्रिक फॉर्मूला जिसे कि हमें यहाँ पर यूज करना होगा सॉल्व करने के लिए इस इक्वेशन को. तो a इज व्हाट, एक्स स्क्वायर. सो a का स्क्वायर इसका मतलब एक्स स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर 2ab प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाई a क्या है एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस इंटू का साइन है तो b क्या है हमारा 1 प्लस b क्या है 1 तो 1 का होल स्क्वायर. सो x का स्क्वायर स्क्वायर मतलब मल्टीपल में क्या ऐड हो गया तो x का 4 प्लस 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 प्लस 1 इट मीन्स x का पावर 4 प्लस 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 सो इक्वल टू 0. नो इक्वल टू 0 नो इक्वल टू में क्या हमारा x का पावर 4. सो x का पावर 4 इसको इधर कैरी कर लेंगे तो x का पावर 4 प्लस 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 0. तो यहाँ देख रहे हैं प्लस का x का पावर 4 माइनस x का पावर 4 दिस वन इज कैंसिल. नाउ यू हैव 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 0. यस दिस इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन और नॉट. यस वी कैन से दैट इट इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बिकॉज हियर इज द डिग्री ऑफ पावर इज 2 that match from here, so it is a quadratic equation. So I think all you understand how we observe, how we solve the equations and find out whether it is a quadratic equation or not. I think everybody knows and understand what is the basic things keep in mind for the quadratic equation. I think you all learned what is quadratic equation and how you acknowledge the quadratic equation and how you observe which one is quadratic equation if you have and how we multiply that and how we add that. I think you learned from this video and thanks for watching me and subscribing me. Thank you so much.